Yes, guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another show, guys. Welcome to another show. Good evening, guys. It's been a long time since I made a video. Guys, let's get into this video this afternoon because we go get into and speak about Mr. Buchanan, Vybz Kartel lawyer, release a video this week, talk about how Vybz Kartel health deteriorating, his heart is not looking good. Let's get into the show, guys. So people, yes, follow me on this one. Check this out now. Remember 2 years ago? 2 years ago, Buchanan went on Fox News and did an interview on Fox News. And this was Mr. Buchanan's words. He said, because that was before the appeal. And they did the proper paperwork and do the appeal. And this is what Mr. Cartel lawyer said, Mr. Buchanan. He said, quote, Mr. Buchanan went on record and state that they are looking for a complete overturn after conviction for Mr. Palmer and his co-defendant will walk free and a free man by next year. People, that was a couple years ago when they did the appeal, and now they're going to a privy court and and lead up to the present time. No. People, you know what I mean? We have to listen to Mr. Buchanan because he chat a lot. And so as AKA Vybz Kartel. So no, Vybz Kartel is at a point where he's at a rock and a hard place, as they say, because they took the case and, as they say, squash. And I hate to use that name squash because it don't mean nothing to me, nothing no squash. I believe what they did, since the UK overturned the case, but did not throw away the charges. So the Jamaica prosecutor charged Kartel with the murder of Lizard to still detain him in prison. So now, it seemed to me now, the defensive team is playing a different tune because his health is becoming like the number one thing they're using now. Check out this video, guys. All right.
This context matters. A lot of people that have opinions are dunce. I no longer waste my time to have conversations with people. Think about what is in the Constitution and respect the Constitution. If we start the moral argument, some of you will be embarrassed. Shut up, sit down, and respect the Constitution.
Finally, and your last update about his health was?
My last update about his health from his doctor is that his heart is worse than the last time we spoke. She had, in a medical report, made it emphatically clear that the clock is ticking on his health, and the Privy Council responded expeditiously and in the capacity Justice McDonald Bishop in record time responded like the judge before us. Justice Thomas should be commended for responding in a day. That is justice in Jamaica. I'm not worried.
So, Mr. Buchanan, I have one question to ask you. If you don't waste your time to educate people, how Jamaican people going to know the Constitution and their right? If you don't waste your time, because to me that sounds that you're too proud and pride to teach people the Constitution, and that is part of your responsibility as a lawyer to upkeep, to educate people as well. If they don't know the law, is to give them the information that they need. So for you to say you don't waste your time, I believe the statement that you make, you are part of the problem in Jamaica. And people, it seemed to me this case is becoming not about justice or charges, just becoming a health charge case. This is not about cartel health crisis or anything like that. Cartel is being held because a crime was committed. And this is not, and it seemed to me his lawyer, Mr. Buchanan, is making this to be, oh, that's going to be his main prerogative to point out his health problem. That don't have nothing to do with this case. Unfortunately, Mr. Palmer is sick, yes, but we all know a crime was committed and there will be a retrial. And right now, the retrial set for the hearing will become June 10th for the both sides to present their case and see where we go with that. But I believe right now, Vybz Kartel is being charged and being detained for the murder of Lizard. And Mr. Buchanan is boasting how Judge Justice Thomas hastily make her yes, because she don't have nothing to do with it, and she schooled some people. You doing all these things for what? And at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel still remain in prison, and you doing all these things, and nothing is being done. And to me, truth shall prevail, righteousness shall prevail, because Vybz Kartel is losing supporters. Because it seems to me now Jamaican people is coming to that acknowledgement and know that something went down. Because listen, people, and be truthful, Jamaican people, where is Claude Lizard Williams? That's the question. Where is Claude Lizard Williams? People, a lot of people probably not going to be all right with this video, but guess what? It's the truth. This is turned into a cartel medical case, and this is not about cartel medical case. This is about Vybz Kartel and his co-defendants are being accused and being charged for the murder of Claude Lizard Williams. And the Jamaican people to overlook this and want this man to walk so freely that they will do anything, overstep and look down and look past to see the truth. Listen, guys, thank you for joining me this afternoon. If you like this video, please make sure you share, subscribe to this channel, guys. Until next time, YARDCHAT.